Okay guys, today we're gonna survive more 99 nights in the forest. What more? And now we're going to the volcano biome. Volcano biome? Oh no. Well, I'm out chopping down some wood. But it's already nighttime. Yeah, I got this. Yeah, whatever. And yeah. And they disappear. Well, I'm going back. Hey guys, what do I miss? Oh, day 2. Well, let's go up to the volcano biome. And now I'm gonna chop down some wood. Where could it be? Where could it be? Ah! Got you, Missing Side. Wait, what? Huh? He disappeared. Let's keep on going. Whoa. This is the volcano biome. Oh. Wow. Gotta jump off slowly. Ah! Whoa. Oh no! One! Nah! Nah! I'm coming! Ah! 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 Whoa! Shit. Yeah. Come on, hurry up. Hurry up. Yeah. Gah. Day 5. Huh? Did you last talk of it? Nah! No, we didn't. Shh. Nah. Wah. Nah. Nah. Whoa! Whoa! Meanwhile, excuse me, the next kid is in the volcano biome. Huh? Come face me, you beast! Yeah. Huh? I gotta teleport. Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. Ouch. Ouch. He's too tough. I'm almost dead right there. Okay then, you should wanna fight? Get it! Yeah. Whoa. Boy's too tough. Nothing is too tough for me. Gotta go. How about this? Huh? Where did it go? Huh? Go. No, you want it. Whoa, Ah! Yeah, we did it! Day 10. They defeated the whale, but is it still gonna be alive? Good. Ouch. Uh-oh. Ciao. Huh? Into the lava. Yeah. Yay, we found 3 kids. Well, where's the other one? Alright, face us, you beast. Girl, don't hurt my brother. Huh? Oh, so you think you're so tough now, huh? Wait, it's day 11 right now. But whatever. Let's go. What? Uh-oh. Oh, get off of me, get off of me. Whoa! That's not gonna defeat me that easily. Oh yeah? You wanna fight? Let's do this. Yeah. Good. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. Hey guys, we defeated the whale. How about the next kid? Wait, it's not here. Oh, it's here. We got the missing kids. Day 99. Whoa, that was quick. Well, wait for the others to come. I'm here. I have a headache. Yay! We finally defeated all of them. Yeah, that was hard work. Now let's go home, guys. Yeah. The end of the 99 Nights in the Forest.